Welcome to GoodWe training series. Today we will take you through the SMT 80KW unboxing and installation. Configuration via SolarGo. First, you need to download the SolarGo. Open SolarGo and select Bluetooth connection mode. Select the corresponding signal for pairing. On this page, you need to enter the password 1234. It will prompt you to make a password change. Create a new password and log in. Once logged in, we need to follow the settings and keep Bluetooth and WLAN always on. Now we're officially on the home page. Click Parameters. We can see some information about the inverter. Click Settings. Choose Communication Settings. Turn on the WLAN button to connect with the corresponding network. The system automatically performs network configuration. Return to the settings and select Basic Settings. Click Safety Code. Enter the password GoodWe 2010. In this page you can choose area and safety regulation. After this, our configuration is also almost complete. Kind reminder, please visit the Advanced Settings page for more function settings. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe training series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.